Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Webflow export settings and backup files, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Webflow export settings and files, start by opening your Webflow project. Log into your Webflow account and navigate to the project you want to backup. Once inside the project dashboard, look for the settings icon located in the left sidebar. Click on the settings icon to access your project settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Export Code option. Click on the Export Code button to download your site's code. A zip file containing your site's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets will begin to download. Save the downloaded zip file to a designated backup folder on your computer. Next, return to your project settings. Scroll down to the Backups section on the Settings page. Webflow automatically creates backups of your project, but it's important to download any specific settings you want to keep. To download your project settings, open the Backups tab. Here, you will see a list of automatic backups created by Webflow. Choose a backup that you want to retain and click on the Restore button next to it. This action creates a snapshot of your current settings. To save this backup locally, note that you will have to document key settings manually. Alternatively, take screenshots of critical settings for your reference. Once you have documented your settings, return to the project's dashboard. Consider exporting and saving any custom scripts or integrations you might have implemented separately. Lastly, store all of this information in a secure location. Regularly repeat this backup process to ensure all changes are captured. By following these steps consistently, you can maintain a reliable backup of your Webflow project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.